Today is that Wednesday expanded video, 2-3 minutes. It may go a little bit longer because today's topic is regarding the current President Biden's budget proposal, which has 11 or so, I want to say, tax consequences or tax implications or proposals in it, revenue-related proposals. I want to speak about 6 of them because it relates to the risk, and that's kind of been the concept I've been pushing to educate clients as well as colleagues and so forth, the risk of filing tax returns, and it's growing, and this is going to show it. There are about 6 efforts to expand reporting and capture information and a better ability for the IRS to identify, tax issues they can dispute or argue for more revenue. And so there's about 6 I'm going to speak to of that President Biden's revenue proposal for 2021. And your first one is they're trying to push the IRS to go after the highest paying taxpayers instead of focusing on those roughly $400K in income and less. This has been tried over and over and over. It's great in concept, it's great in political circles, it gets votes. Both sides talk about it. It fails miserably because one basic fact is people with money have money to pay for attorneys and tax accountants and so forth to fight and push back. So it typically tends to fail in execution. Concept great, but in execution it fails. We'll see. Now the second part may aid to the first point, which is they want to create a financial reporting regime where all this form reporting about your financial transactions is somehow consolidated, more comprehensive on what goes in and out of your accounts, what type of cash, even cash issues you're dealing with, not just money transfers, money in and out, a lot more comprehensive reporting. How that's going to work, I don't know, but with the errors you kind of see now, it gives me concern that it creates more problems than it solves, at least for the taxpayer, not so much for the government. So that's a big watch out for increased risk on its own. Now the third one is they want to start regulating tax preparers, which I'm already regulated. I'm a licensed enrolled agent, so I am, but they're trying to go after unlicensed people. That may help, but the point we made is that where the increased risk is going to increase for your professional when they prepare a return, because the IRS wants to start pursuing professionals for errors and issues. And that's largely an undiscussed risk in tax preparation, is that I, as well as many others out there, have a risk when we look at our clients and our clients are giving us questionable information or unsure of things or whatever. So that's kind of an undisclosed risk I've never discussed, but it's out there. Your tax professional has some liability when they prepare a return for you. The fourth one is e-filing. They're expanding e-filing. That I think is probably overblown to some extent because a lot of things like corporations and partnerships I think are highly e-filed anyways, but they are going after some of the esoteric forms that the more wealthy might have to file, which kind of goes in line with the first objective that they might be trying to achieve, is going after higher wealth taxpayers for tax issues. The fifth one is expanded crypto asset, Bitcoin and other crypto asset, cryptocurrency reporting. That was an obvious one coming. But with the complexity of cryptocurrency where you can pay with cryptocurrency as well as buy and sell like a stock or an investment, that is going to be tremendously changed, more like stocks and bond selling, but also when you pay with something, that's going to create a taxable transaction as well that have to be tracked. How that's done, I don't know, but that's what they're going after. And the sixth is increased intergovernment sharing of your tax information. Now the example they give and the information I see is more at the federal level, but my guess is at the state level too, and city and whatever, to where the government knows more about your financial matters. These are the risks that are coming, or at least proposed, and this gives you an insight as to what the federal government wants to do, and this is why I keep pushing the concern of you filing a tax return. The risk is incredibly increasing. It's just almost incalculable at times. So this is why I say you need to really not trivialize your taxes, but focus on it. Whether you do it yourself or not, just take the time to understand the risk, the cost to you, and the financial implications to you for filing a tax return. If this has been helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and have a good day.